Your Holiness, what surprises you the most about humanity? And in a gist, you basically answer that the basic answer is man, and that he does not live within the present. He is always concerned about the future, or concerned about the past. But there is no answer as to which how can we take up such practices in which we can actually live in the present. Uh, like you gave an example about the priest who went in the mountains and lived in 5 years. But since not everybody can do that, how do we practice that practice of love and compassion in our day-to-day lives in metropolitan cities, or
Now, last few years, we already sort of working the existing modern education field, education, to introduce secular ethics, education about secular ethics, not just prayer, not just meditation. The use, as I mentioned earlier, you see reasons, mainly scientific sort of findings. So we already compiled some sort of text with help of Emirates University in America. You see, we already compile, draft the secular education about secular ethics. Now, in this country, I think in the next few months, we're going to serious discussion, then eventually finalize, at least draft, about the education secular ethics, so which can fit in secular education field without touching any religious belief. So eventually, I think in this country, and then some officials in the education ministry in central government, I met some occasion, they're also showing interest. So I'm going to discuss these things. So we can, eventually, we can finalize one draft about education because of secular ethics. So I think within one year, I think we will have the draft. So then should carry as an experiment, and some schools then watch result. If result are quite positive, then we can expand more school. Then this sort of text meant for kindergarten level up to university level. Okay. Then already English translation already there, and Chinese translation also there. Now the Mongolian translation, and the Russian translation, German translation, we already committed. So we'll see.